Welcome back, everyone. You've seen the thumbnail. It's time for another subscriber giveaway. Now, today we'll be reviewing the Depstech's dual lens wireless endoscope. This inspection camera would be a great addition to your toolbox. Now, whether it's for you or as a gift, this easy to use piece of tech will pay for itself in a single use. Although the included instructions and usage tips are very clear, let's briefly go through the setup and the features of the Depstech dual lens endoscope. First, open the instruction manual and scan the QR code to download the Depstech View app. Next, power on your endoscope and check for the blue and red status LEDs. Open the Depstech View app, go to your Wi-Fi settings and join the network created by your device. Your camera is now connected to your phone or tablet. You can now use the endoscope front camera, switch to the side camera, or to make sure you didn't miss anything, use them both at the same time. To adjust the brightness, use the wheel on the side housing. The camera will take full advantage of your phone or tablet screen, and the tools on the display are easy to see and easy to use. Now, let's get an idea of how and where you can use this inspection camera. Did I mention that you don't need internet for this device to work? You can use this device anywhere you have your phone or your tablet. The most common use for me when using something like this is for checking for pipes, power, and other obstructions before cutting or drilling. You can't be cautious enough if you didn't put the drywall up yourself. You should always make an inspection hole first if you're not sure what's behind the wall. If you're going to use a very long length of this cable, this flexible cable on your camera, it can kind of be hard to control sometimes. So don't be afraid to use an assist to keep things rigid, like this glow rod, for instance. Just take it and attach it to your camera flexible cable, and that can keep you on track with what you're trying to see. Of course, you can use this waterproof camera to fish a ring from the drain, or use the magnet attachment to reach a drop screw while working on your car, something like that. But picture this. You've connected all your sources and speakers to your AVR in your new AV cabinet. You took time to manage and tidy all the wires and power cords. Lo and behold, one speaker isn't working, and you forgot to write down the source input slots. If you haven't done this, you haven't been in this hobby long enough. But have no fear, you have the perfect tool to verify your connections through that tiny hole in the back of your cabinet. With this camera, you can even check from the front using the camera rotation feature to read labels upside down. Now, how good does that feel that you didn't have to take all of this stuff apart? Now, you may as well retire because you just won at the game of life. These things and so much more can be done with this endoscope. And one lucky subscriber will be receiving one, care of Genius Home Theater. Now, this video is not sponsored by Depstech, but I just believe that this tool is a must-have. The winner doesn't have to live in the US, but the giveaway will only be shipped to the 48 US contiguous states. Now, to enter, you must be a subscriber. You must like the video and leave a comment. That is it. I will use a random comment picker to choose the lucky subscriber. The winner will be chosen on May 14th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time as a reply from me. So I'm going to thank everyone in advance for their kind words, as I will only be responding to the winner of this giveaway to reduce any confusion. So thank you again. The winner will be given further instructions on how to claim this giveaway. Now, as for everyone else interested in the Depstech's dual lens wireless endoscope, I put a link in the description to where you can find it. All right, folks, this giveaway is live. Best of luck to everyone. And don't forget about my weekly giveaway that happens in the community post every week. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get the inside track on the upcoming videos and giveaways. This is Genius Home Theater. I am Ron, and I am out. See you in the next one.